Hello, green people. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to another episode. Today's episode is about 10 common plants are poisonous to cats. So, what plants should cat parents be on the lookout to avoid? Start with this list of plants that are poisonous to cats, which rounds up the varieties you and your feline are most likely to encounter. Number 1 is autumn crocus. The autumn crocus, also known as meadow saffron or naked lady, is a common ornamental flowering plant that blooms in the fall. Autumn crocus is poisonous to dogs, cats, and horses. According to the Animal Poison Control Center, it's especially toxic to cats because of its alkaloid colchicine content. According to the Pet Poison Helpline, all parts of the plant are highly toxic. Number 2. Azaleas and rhododendrons. Azaleas and rhododendrons are related species of flowering shrubs and small trees that are toxic to cats. There are more than 1,000 species in this family of plants, and the degree of the toxicity varies from moderate to severe. According to the Pet Poison Helpline, the toxic component is called gyanotoxins. All parts of the plant are toxic and a cat becomes poisoned by ingesting a tiny amount of the plant. The plant number 3 is cyclamen. Cyclamen, also known as Persian violet and sawbreed, is a genus of more than 20 species of perennial flowering plants that are often kept indoors. The tubers and roots are the most toxic, but all parts of the plant contain the toxic component. Saponins, according to the Pet Poison Helpline. According to the Animal Poison Control Center, signs of cyclamen toxicity involving small amounts of the plant include drooling, vomiting, and diarrhea. And if a cat ingests large quantities of cyclamen, it can experience abnormal heart rate and rhythm. Number 4. Narcissus, including daffodils. Most plants that fall into the genus of Narcissus, including daffodils, also called jonquil or paperwhites or narcissus, are flowering spring perennials. All parts of the plant contain the poisonous agent lycorin, but the bulbs are the most toxic, according to the Pet Poison Helpline. Lycorin causes drooling, vomiting, and diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Plant number 5. Devonpachia. Devonpachia is known as Charming Devonpachia, Domed Cane, Exotica Perfection, Giant Domed Cane, Gold Devonpachia, Spotted Domed Cane, and Tropic Snow. And veritable Devonpachia is part of a genus of tropical flowering plants in the Araceae family. This common houseplant contains insoluble calcium oxalate crystals, which cause oral irritation, burning feelings in the mouth, drooling, vomiting, difficulty swallowing, according to the Pet Poison Helpline. And plant number 6 is kalanchoe. The flowering houseplant kalanchoe is also known as mother-in-law plant, devil's backbone, mother of millions, and candelier plant. All parts of this plant contain toxins, which generally cause signs like drooling, vomiting, and diarrhea, according to the Animal Poison Control Center. Rarely, if cats ingest large quantities of kalanchoe, they might experience more severe symptoms, including heart arrhythmias and like seizures, according to the Pet Poison Helpline. Cat owners should not keep this plant in the home. Number 7. Lilies. Although many plants contain the word lily in their names, Dr. Wismer says certain species are the most dangerous to cats, including Asiatic lilies, Easter lilies, Japanese cholla lilies, ribrum lilies, etc. Easter lilies are very dangerous for cats. Ingestion of any part of the plant or even the pollen can cause kidney failure. Cats need only ingest a tiny bit of the aforementioned lilies, just licking the pollen from the flowers or drinking water from the vase of lilies can spell death for a cat. Dr. Wismer says that. Plant number 8 is oleander. Oleander, also known as Narium oleander, white oleander, and rose bay, is a popular outdoor flowering shrub found in the warm climates. Oleander contains cardiac glycoside toxins, which adversely affect the heart muscle, according to the Animal Poison Control Center. All parts of the oleander plant are toxic, including the water in the vase of these flowers. Cat parents should not keep oleander in the yard and should not bring the flowers into the home. And number 9 is sago palm. Sago palm, also known as county palm, cardboard palm, cycad, and zymias, is a common plant found outdoors in tropical and subtropical areas. Certain sago palms are also kept as houseplants. All parts of the sago palm plant are toxic, but the seeds are the deadliest, according to the Pet Poison Helpline. The main toxic compound is secacin, which causes severe liver damage. And the symptoms of sago palm poisoning in cats, according to the Pet Poison Helpline, include vomiting and diarrhea and death. If you suspect your cat has chewed on any part of a sago palm, seek immediate treatment, even with quick and aggressive veterinary treatment. The prognosis for survival is only 50%, according to the Pet Poison Helpline website. Number 10, the last in the list is tulip and hyacinth. Popular in buckets and gardens, tulips and hyacinths are both parts of the Liliaceae family, which also includes the deadly lily species. Tulips contain tulipalin A and tulipalin B, and hyacinths contain possibly narcissus, like alkaloids, according to the Animal Poison Control Center. Although all parts of the plants and flowers contain the dangerous compounds, they are most concentrated in the bulbs, according to the Pet Poison Helpline, which states that signs of tulip of hyacinth poisoning include drooling, vomiting, diarrhea, depression, and tremors. Well, This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe and thank you for your support.